2014 Toyota Tundra 2WD truck. With less than 1,000 miles on the odometer, this pickup truck offers 2 full rows of seating for premium comfort. You'll love this long list of impressive amenities, which include the following: satellite radio, heated side view mirrors, backup camera, tinted windows, pass-through rear seat, Bluetooth, brake assist, power outlet, keyless entry, engine immobilizer, automatic headlights, auxiliary input, stability control, passenger side airbag sensor, limited slip differential. Take home the car of your dreams today.